Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to file GSTR-9C using Speqta GST software. First of all, select the company and click on Go button. Now the return dashboard is open. Now click on GSTR-9C. Select the period for which you have to file the return and click on Go button. This process will open the steps to be performed for filing of GSTR-9C. Now come to step 1. Get GSTR-9 status. Here you have to fill the captcha and then click on it. This process will download the status of whether GST9 is filed or not filed. The status is downloaded and the status is filed. Now coming to step 2, import GST9 tables data for GSTR9C. If we have already filed GSTR9, then we can choose this option, import from GST portal. Otherwise, if we have prepared our GSTR9 in our Speqta GST software, then we can choose this option also. Right now I am clicking on import from GST portal. GST9C draft data downloaded successful. Now click on OK. And now coming to step 3, prepare GSTR9C. Here we will find 3 options. JSON file, like if we have already filled JSON file, we can import that JSON. If we have prepared our data of GSTR9C in the government Excel utility, we can import that one. Otherwise, we can manually prepare the data and by data entry in software. Now coming to basic information part 1. Here the basic information is already filled, and now we have to fill the name of act if we are liable to audit under any other act. Then now coming to part 2. Here table number is 5 for reconciliation of gross turnover. Here we have to fill the reconciliation of gross turnover, and if we have any difference, we will give the reason in table number 6. Then coming to table number 7, reconciliation of taxable turnover. The table number 7A data will automatically come from table number 5B. And if we have any difference, we will write the difference in table number 8. Now coming to part 3, table number 9, 10 and 11. Table number is 9 for reconciliation of tax rate wise liability and amount payable thereon. We have to here we have to give the bifurcation of taxable value and their GST amount as per the rates. If we have any difference for unreconciliation, we will give the reason in table number 10. Now coming to table number 11, additional amount payable but not paid due to reason specified in table number 6, 8 and 10 above. If we have such details, we will give the details in table number 11. Now coming to part 4, table number 12 to 16. Table number 12 is reconciliation of net input tax credit. Here we have to give the details of ITC availed during the year. If we have any reason for unreconciliation, we will give the reason in table number 13. And the table number is 14 is reconciliation of ITC declared in GSTR9 with ITC availed on expenses as per audited annual financial statement or books of account. However, this table is optional for 17-18 and 18-19. So if you don't want to fill this table, you may skip this. Then coming to table number 15, reason for unreconciled difference in ITC. If we have any difference, we can give the difference here. Now coming to table number 16, tax payable on unreconciled difference in ITC. If we have any details, we can fill table number 16. Then coming to auditor recommendation, table number part 5. If we have any recommendation, we can fill the details in auditor recommendations, and then we will go to next. Address of company and auditor. Here we will fill the details of the business, principal place of business. If we have any additional address, we can click here and fill the details. If we don't have any additional place, we will not click. Then coming to GSTR-9C and account books auditor's address. This will ask for the question, is auditor of books of account is same as GST auditor who is preparing GSTR-9C? If it is same, we will click on yes, otherwise we will click on no. Here the option of auditor master is also given. We can prepare auditor master by filling the details here. Then coming to auditor of GSTR-9C, we will click the details and we can get the details by the drop down, which then we will click on save button. Now coming to auditor certificate. Here we have to give the certificate. So we will fill the details here. If we have to fill the details of cash flow, we will click on cash flow. Otherwise, we will not click on cash flow. Then we will come to qualification. The qualification is one qualification is mandatory. If we have no observation, we will write it no observation. And then we have to fill the place and date of signing of auditor report. Then we will click on save button. Record is saved successfully. Now we will click on steps to prepare GSTR-9C and we will click on step number 4. Validate GSTR-9C and attach Auditor DSC. This process will validate the GSTR-9C table data, and if there is no such validation error, it will prompt for signing of Auditor DSC. We will click on button. It is validating all the data. Since there is no such error and it has prompt for EM signer. Now we will click on the Auditor DSC and we will sign it. Fill the user ID and password and click on login button. You can see JSON file is successfully created. Okay. And now it will ask for the confirmation. Do you want to save GSTR-9C JSON on GST portal? If we click on yes, it will save the JSON on GST portal. You can see GSTR-9C software data is uploaded on GST portal successfully. That means GSTR-9C is successfully saved on portal. That means step 5 is already performed by us. Now for filing of last, we have to log into GST portal and then we can file our GSTR-9C on portal directly by attaching our balance sheet and profit and loss. Thank you for watching the video.